You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French actress. We're going to be looking at how it's said in French in France, and also how you can easily pronounce it in English. Adèle Haenel is how it's said in French. Okay, so in French you ignore the H, it's never pronounced pretty much in French, so she doesn't pronounce it either. Haenel, Adèle Haenel. So in English, Adèle Haenel. Ignore the H again. Haenel, Adèle Haenel. In French, Adèle Haenel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.